Okay. Well, as we have already completed the chapter, this Pochampalli, so today we will start the workbook, activity book. Do you have any problem regarding the chapter? Then you can ask me. Do you have any kind of problem regarding the chapter? So that you can ask me. If not, then we will do the activity book. We will complete it and then we will start the new chapter. Okay. So start to write the question answers. First one is fill in the blanks with the correct word. So the first fill in the blank is given here. Vani and Prasad live in dash village. Which village? It should be Muktapur village, isn't it? Write down, if you know the answer, then write the answer. Okay, give the answers. Now, next question, the dash that they do is very beautiful and special. What it should be? What would be the answer? Are you hearing me? Are you hearing me? Devoshmi? Yes, it is weaving. Okay. Now, next one is the size and the number of the dash changes according to the design. It is Aniruddha, it may be your yes, it very good, needle. Devoshmi is correct, Ono is correct. So write down. And the D, big shopkeepers gives weaver very dash money for their sari. Aniruddha, it should be your network problem, you check that. Yes, little, very good. It is answer is little. Now the next one is many craftsmen are moving to dash big, to big dash. It should be cities, very good. So write down. First one is given here, Muktapur, then weaving, C is needles, D little, and E is cities. Now the true false. Give the true false answer. Statements are given here. Muktapur village is a Pochampalli town of Andhra Pradesh. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Chandan has given the correct answer. Some of the families in the town are weavers. Devoshmi, it is not true, dear. It is a false statement because majority of the families are actually associated, isn't it? The weaving requires hard work and many different things have to be done before actual weaving. It should be true, yes. And the D, the weavers weave the beautiful Pochampalli sari in bright colors. It is a true statement. Great skill is not required for weaving such special saris. It is a, no, it is not. Joya, which answer you are giving? It is false. Weavers get good money for their hard labor. It is also a false statement, isn't it? So write down. First one is true, B is false, C is true, D true, E false, and F false. Now answer the following question. Question number 1 is given. What was the reason behind Pochampalli cloth getting this name? So write down. Pochampalli town of Andhra Pradesh has Muktapur village and the majority of the families in this town associated with weaving silk sari. Pochampalli name given to the sari due to the name of this town. Again I am repeating. Now we are writing the question answers. Okay, write down the question answer. So the first answer is First answer is Pochampalli town of Andhra Pradesh has Muktapur village, and the majority of families in this town associated with weaving silk sari. So Pochampalli name given to the sari due to the name of this town. Completed? Now the question number 2 is given here. What does weavers require before actual weaving? So write the answer. The weaving requires skill, hard work, and many different things have to be done before actual weaving. This is answer 2. Devoshmi, this is answer 2 or answer B. Question number 3, B. Repeat answer A. Okay. I'm repeating. Pochampalli town of Andhra Pradesh. Pochampalli town of Andhra Pradesh has Muktapur village, and the majority of the families in this town associated with weaving silk sari. It should be silk saris. Full stop. Now Pochampalli name given to the sari due to the name of this town. Now answer 2 or answer B. Question B. What does weaving require before actual weaving? So write down. The weaving requires skill, hard work, and many different things have to be done before actual weaving. The weaving requires skill, hard work, and many different things have to be done before actual weaving. I am giving you the side so that you can write the answer. That's why you are not able to see me. Okay? That's why I'm just clearing the board. That's why I'm making myself on the side. Okay? So don't worry about me. I am here. The weaving requires skill, hard work, and many different things have to be done before actual weaving. Okay? Now answer question C. What is question C? How are weavers able to decide the size of the needles? So the answer C is the size and number of needles. The size and number of needles decided by the weavers according to the design and pattern of the sari. The size and number of needles decided by the weavers according to the design and pattern of the sari. Completed? Completed or not? Write fast. Is it you have completed or not? Okay, write fast. Repeat answer C again. Okay. The size, answer C, write down. The size and number of needles. The size and number of needles decided by the weavers according to the design and pattern of the sari. Again I am repeating, the size and number of needles decided by the weavers the size and number of needles decided by the weavers according to the design and pattern of the sari. Okay, I hope all of you have completed. Yes, now I will write question number D. So can I rub the first part? Okay, I'm rubbing the first part, so I will be able to write the answer D. Answer D is here. The craft is in danger, explain. So the D answer it is actually given in your short notes. Weavers are given negligible money for their saris. For their saris. Weavers are given negligible money for their saris by the shopkeepers. By the shopkeepers. By the shopkeepers who themselves sell the saris at high prices. At high prices. Due to this reason, due to this reason, many weavers are giving up their family profession. Many of the weavers are giving up their family profession and leaving their villages and leaving their villages. One day, so this precious craft in future maybe this precious craft will be lost forever. So that's why, so it is in danger. Now weavers are giving negligible money for their saris by the shopkeepers who themselves sell the saris at high prices. Due to this reason, many of the weavers are giving up their family profession and leaving their villages. In future, maybe this precious craft will be lost forever. So, this craft is in danger. Craft is in danger. Okay. Very good. You have completed. Now the next question is, explain what is Pochampalli. So write down. Pochampalli is a E question. What is Pochampalli? So the answer E. Answer E. Pochampalli is a special kind of special kind of silk sari Pochampalli is a special kind of silk sari weaved in, or special type of silk sari having bright colors, having bright colors, different patterns, and design, and it is weaving in. Pochampalli is a special kind of silk sari having bright color, different patterns and design. It needs skill and lots of preparation. Lots of preparations, or you can say lots of things, skill and lots of preparation. It needs skill and lots of preparation to weave. Okay, so right up to this. This is a special kind of silk sari having bright colors, different patterns and designs. It needs skill and lots of preparation lots of preparations to weave. That's all. Okay. And now the next question, you know, write in brief about all the steps from thread to sari. So it is a very long question, maybe you will not get it. So if you want to write, it is your homework. So question 4, you know now all the steps. So write down, question 4 is your homework. Okay. So that's all for the day. We have completed this. And any question regarding this chapter, any problem, you can write down. Otherwise, you just give your attendance and leave the class. That's all for the day. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Write down your attendance.